Perfect. Perfect.
What tactics work or don't work in a street fight? I don't really think this works in what I'm saying, does it?
Perfect. Perfect.
Common thing is leaning back and thinking, boom, that I can stay out of range. It will start hip hop on this. That's one tactic that doesn't really work. That the guy leans back, boom, you stamp on his leg. I'll do it one more time, you stamp on his leg, boom, you stamp on his leg. So leaning back doesn't work. Leave some comments below and leave us your thoughts. Putting your head down and then hunting and hoping doesn't also work either. Bang, bang, because you can't really see what you're doing. The major problem with that is that the guy covers up and he snaps your head down and obviously starts to rag you down into the ground and starts to hit you. Another one, someone running straight at you, okay, charging at you in a straight line. That's a given. I mean, obviously, if someone charges at you and starts throwing punches, it's obviously stepping out to the side. You said spinning fist, didn't you?
Yeah, spinning fist, so they come off in the jet and they come around and they spin.
That must be Edmonton, though.
No.
Are you sure? Don't do that. It's a wild chance, very risky, because obviously, the thing about doing any sort of spinning actions, you notice what I'm doing is I'm putting my forearm, up behind the back of his elbow. So really essentially what that's doing is it's hyperextending his arm, because as he's throwing this fist, all I need to do is cover up, basically, and brace like this. So as I brace like this, my elbow is going into the back of his arm. He's hyperextending his arm. The other thing about spinning, can you spin, is that if I pivot, I can start to drag him, draw him in, and punch him. Because if you notice, my strategy of teaching self-defense is to close the space as much as possible. The reason why I like to close the space is because I don't want to get hit. I try to get in, and if I try to move away from the spin, bang, there's a good chance I'm going to get walloped, because obviously I'm going outside the arc. Or you can dip, I suppose, that's one thing to do. Dip, shoot, body lock onto the person, and then just try to break their spinal alignment, boom, by bringing them down. Okay, you've never really experienced this before, have you?
No.
No, it's quite effective, isn't it? So it works quite well. The problem is, obviously, the guy's going to be grappling, pouring at your eyes and hair and ears and so on.
You said people trying to do flying kicks at you.
Oh, flying kicks, yeah, flying kicks. Don't do it. You know, there's two types of fights or attacks. There's the ego, where the guy's in front of your face, he's having a go, as I always say this. And there aren't so many tricks with that. Oh, there is actually one. I experienced this one. I remember when I was a young lad. Look, mate, I don't want any trouble, you know, and he gets in your face and then he steps away. I did a video on this, by the way. He steps away, and as he steps away, comes back, bang! Yeah, that's a really common.
That's a popular one, that one.
That's a really common one. They step away, turn, half turn, as if they're going, just walking away, and then you go bang. Of course, the best thing to do, because I'm being the bad guy here, is that Nick actually hits me as I go like that. He just goes bang, because I've actually experienced that myself personally. So it's quite a tricky one. Leave some comments below, and yeah, leave us your thoughts. I think it'd be really interesting. Follow it up.
Let us know your thoughts.
Thanks for watching.